Welcome. If you've been getting too many random mentions on Instagram and want a bit more control over your privacy, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to prevent mentions on the Instagram app when using your PC, especially with the latest update. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the settings. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there, often called the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open up more options. After that, a menu will appear. From here, find and click on Settings. This is where all your account preferences and privacy controls are located. Once you're inside Settings, look for the section labeled Tags and Mentions. Click on it to continue. Now you'll see different options related to how people can tag or mention you. Focus on the Mentions section. Here, Instagram gives you control over who is allowed to mention your account. To completely stop anyone from mentioning you, simply select Don't Allow Mentions. As soon as you choose this option, your settings will be updated automatically.